To obtain a Bybit virtual card, follow these steps. Create a Bybit account. Visit the Bybit website or download the Bybit app from your device's app store. Click on Sign Up and fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email to activate your account. Complete KYC verification. Log into your Bybit account and navigate to the account settings. Find the KYC verification section and submit the necessary identification documents to complete the verification process. Access the virtual card feature. Once your account is verified, go to the finance or wallet section of the platform. Look for the option to apply for the Bybit virtual card. Apply for the card. Follow the prompts to apply for the virtual card. This may involve agreeing to terms and conditions and setting up any necessary preferences. Fund your virtual card. Once approved, you can fund your virtual card using your Bybit account balance or linked bank account for seamless transactions.